Hello everyone, my name is Rahul. In this video, we are going to start with the chapter Cell, Structural and Functional Unit of Life. Firstly, we are going to discuss about cell theory. So, in the year 1838, a botanist by the name of Schleiden, he examined a number of plant cells, a number of plant tissues, and he discovered that plants are made up of cells. During the same period, around 1838 to 1839, another scientist who was a zoologist by the name of Shawn, he examined a number of animal cells, or rather a number of animal tissues, and discovered that animal tissues are made up of cells. Furthermore, Shawn also discovered, he also discovered cell wall in plant cells. So he also discovered cell wall in plant cells, which was lacking in the animal cells. Also, he described about plasma membrane. He found a membrane that was common to both the animal and plant cells, which is now known as plasma membrane. Now, combining the findings of Schleiden and Shawn, the postulates of cell theory were put forward. So both Schleiden and Shawn's discovery, they are together termed as cell theory. So cell theory was proposed in the year 1838 to 1839. So first postulate is that all living organisms all living organisms are made up of cells or cell products. So all living organisms, they are either made up of cells or products which have been derived from the cells. The second postulate is that all the metabolic reactions all the metabolic reactions take place inside the cell. So cell is the structural and functional unit of life. The third postulate is that all living organisms start their life as a single cell Now, after these three postulates, in the year 1855, a scientist by the name of Rudolf Virchow, he modified the cell theory. He stated that all cells arise from pre-existing cells. All cells arise from pre-existing cells. So if there is a cell, there has to be a precursor cell present. This is known as omnis cellula e celluli. Omnis cellula e celluli. That all cells arise from pre-existing cells. So later on, this modification was also added to the postulates of cell theory. So overall, there are 4 postulates of cell theory. This is the 4th postulate of cell theory. So with this, we finish off with this discussion on cell theory. See you in next video.